Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Discord server. So currently here on our Discord dashboard, on the left sidebar, you can see some options here. You can see your current server and you have the add button here, which is add a server. So when you click on it, you have the option to start from a template or to join an existing server. However, to create your own, you can click on create my own. And the next step is to decide if your server is for a club or a community, or for you and your friends. Of course, we can click on any of them, so we're going to click on for a club or community. The next step is to upload a picture for your server and your server name. After that's done, you will click on create to create your server. Now, as you can see, we have a picture and a server name. You need to make sure that this server name is not taken, and so far it looks good. We're going to click on create, and now your server has been created. You can see this server over here, xydog, and you have some information here. Here in the main dashboard, you have the option to invite your friend, send your first message, or add your first app. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.